Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Carbon's DIY Garage, or welcome to the channel if it's your first time. Today's going to be more of a vlog, I guess, than a how-to video. And if you've been following the channel, you know that there have been some issues I've been having with leaks on this TJ on the passenger side. And I'll put a link to the playlist that I've been doing to kind of show the mods I've been doing, the repairs I've been doing. I've replaced the seals up here on top of the windshield, the seal between the cowl and the windshield, the door surround seals, to try to get the leaking stopped. And I've got it mostly stopped, but one other place is also leaking that I'm going to try to take care of. So what I've discovered, or should have realized a long time ago, there's this crack in the hardtop, and water is coming in through this crack here and then running down underneath and down, if you can see it, but down under here, the bottom side of the top, and then running basically on the inside of the door down to the footwell. And what I'm going to try to do is poor man's repair. I'm not going to replace the top or anything. I'm going to put some epoxy up here to try to get this, basically seal it off and maybe get some more structure attachment to it. And then there's actually a little bit of a crack underneath on the bottom side too, so I'll epoxy that as well. It's not cracked all the way through. The one weird thing that I want to show you, or I guess it's not a weird thing, it's just how it is, that so I can lift this up a little bit. I don't know if it'll show up or not, but inside there it's hollow, so it's maybe it's for insulation, or for whatever reason it's not a solid material all the way through. So I don't know how well the epoxy idea is going to work. Hopefully it'll at least, like I said, fill it in, stop the leaking from happening, and not make it structurally worse. And yeah, hopefully that'll stop the leak. But I'm not going to show you step by step through doing that, just show you a little bit of video of it, and then time will tell out in the rain to see if it helps. And in case anybody wants to criticize my technique or anything, here's a close-up of the mess I'm working with, and obviously there's some holes there I'm going to try to fill in, and I'll clamp this too to try to close this up a bit. And the epoxy I'm using is this West System G-Flex epoxy, so it's got some stiffener in it as well. So hopefully it'll make a good strong bond, and we'll see what happens. And with that, the epoxy is in place. Like it or not, it is there. Remember, it's functional, not fashionable. So hopefully it does what I'm looking for it to do, which is to stop the remainder of a little bit of water that's getting in when it rains, especially when it rains hard. And the top is still structurally good. In about 24 hours after it cures, I'll put it all back together, and then we just have to wait for it to rain. So anyway, that's what's going on with this Jeep right now. If you want to subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up, and you can also hit that notify bell, and then you can keep up with all the other projects that are coming for this Jeep and everything else in the garage. So until that next project, next video, you guys take care and have a good one.